So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and then extract out our scraped data. So over here, you can see that I am in a sample piece, and let me just go ahead and quickly do a one-click extract right here. So it goes ahead and processes out the data right here. So it's analyzing the piece and so forth right here. So let's just go ahead and wait for a while now. And now you can see that it found out some fields. So let's just go ahead and then run right here. And you can see that it's fetching the data right here, just like this. And you need to go ahead and wait. And as you go ahead and open up the table now, you can see that it's going ahead and extracting out all of the data right here, just like this, the product name, the URL right here, and so forth. So now let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and copy out this data. So around over here, you can see that I can now go ahead and copy out the data right here. I can copy with headers, let's say for example, and I can go to another application like Microsoft Word right here and press Ctrl V, and it goes ahead and pastes out my data right here, just like this. So you can see that I can go ahead and copy and paste out the data right here, or I can go ahead and copy without headers right here. Let's just go around over here and paste it, and that is what you have. But this is not really and arrange data. So you can go ahead and copy and paste this out right here. But apart from that, you can even go ahead and download it in proper format. Like you can download it in JSON format, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here. Let's say, for example, download it as JSON format of data right here. So you can see that this is how it actually comes up right here, just like this. You can go ahead and download it as a CSV data format as well. So once you go ahead and do that and click on save now, what happens is that you get, like, let's say for example, this format right here, just like this. So you got, let's say for example, Excel format. Apart from that, now you can go around over here and let's say for example, go for, let's say download right here. You can go for Excel format as you want as well. So once you do that, what happens is that you get an Excel format of data right here, just like this, divided all in cells, just like this. You can now click on share as well and create a sharing link to view. You can disable out the link as well if you want to, but once you go ahead and then share out this link, anyone on the web, let's say for example, will be able to go ahead and view out this data right here, just like this. And they will be able to copy with or without headers, and then they'll be able to download it in various formats as well, even if they don't have an account. And that is basically how you can go ahead and copy or download or share out the scraped data that you have from Thunderbit. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.